station where truckers come and make love to them prostitutes. Hey, I look so ugly.
Oh, it smells good. Chester's chicken smell good.
That's a restaurant.
That's the old
Don't have my card there. Sorry, I don't want to showers in it?
Showers? Dang. Yeah, they be getting nasty.
Huh?
Oh, a pillow for $4.99. Too expensive.
Show live but I know
You cheap, sir.
Where is the bathroom? She's recording.
Oh, I'm recording.
On YouTube.
Oh, no.
Record it. Look at boom boom. Shake your boom boom. Please this is not open when you leave. I mean, can I just go ahead and use it? I mean, I don't take no shower. I just want to. Can you open yours? I mean,
Can you
trying to take you back, shall I? Oh, they're going to touch you and take you back. I'm eating this fat potato wedge. Look.
so stupid.
You're jealous.
She gotta talk to YouTube. See the big old potato wedges from Chester's Chicken.
Look at Joe eating this chicken.
He over there grubbing too.
Yeah.
Y'all got some napkins up there?
Yes.
Okay, then I got some. I'll just
Hopefully it will not be raining when we get there. Cause ain't it supposed to rain like the whole weekend in Atlanta? Oh, this look kind of nice.
Oh, how you did yours? You said you in the rooms. I'm gonna whoop his ass. Where you been? Okay, so this is. Oh, this is nice.
Oh, this is nice.
You buy stuff over here? Well, I think Makia probably have a. Hold on him. It's so beautiful. No, Makia got. You sleeping with? Not sleeping with him. Come on.
Oh, I can let you do it, go?
Yeah, you can close the door. Wow, this is nice. So you sleep on the sofa bed. This is different room with you? Huh? Let me in. You hear me now? I'm right here. You sleeping on the sofa bed. And then there's a sofa bed in our room. Oh, let me take a picture. Open the gate.
It's not a gate, ma'am. It's a door.
So the pool, right?
Oh, they got a pool, baby. Please don't fall.
This is nice. I just said, watch your step.
And there's the beach over there.
Look at it.
Okay, that's not pretty water that I'm used to, but it'll do.
Hold up. Don't make me take off my shoe and stuff.
Hello, ma'am. My parents are from the islands. I'm used to nice, clear blue water.
Oh, yeah, y'all got this shit right to the bottom.
Yeah, like how the pool is, that's how the water is where my parents are
I
from.
forgot. I don't let you slide it. Let me go get my purse. Well,
I would let y'all see my face, but it's been a long ass ride. I would need for y'all to stop tripping over the thing. Just step up and move.
nice room. I'm jealous. Yeah, y'all look like.
It's the same. I'm trying to figure out why I gotta sleep on the couch though.
You can sit there with me and Joseph if you don't mind a little rocking and rolling.
Ew.
It'll be wet too.
Ew. TMI.
Come show me how you gonna do this.
It's TMI. That place that she was pulling into at first and was like,
I was like, well, maybe it looks cute on the inside. I'm gonna sleep with it in there. I'll be going out. He didn't give me a key. I'm about to shut the room.
hell.
Hey.
Hell. Ew.
Oh boy, mine use my wife.
Sade, put your shoes on. Where? Yo, put your dang on shoes on. Come on, Priscilla. Look, you gonna braid something now. How you doing?
What are you doing?
What? Sade, get down.
Take a picture of me on the pole. I'm gonna go to the bunny ranch. I'm feeling a little freaky.
A little frisky.
Oh, good. I'm so angry. My shoe was only $5.
Which way we going? Straight or?
Oh, no. Ain't nothing out there. You following the lights.
Think we don't count the colors. What? Like something like that. We get some others.
Repping the rainbow.
She always rapping a damn rainbow. Yeah. Yay. Look at that. He looking like, what are you doing? Oh, I'm taking pictures. Huh?
That's why you been saying that stuff.
Is that earring? They're that color.
You weren't paying attention. I'm mad you just now recognized that after all that conversation.
You gonna post it on YouTube?
Yeah.
What if your mom go watch it?
My mama ain't gonna be nowhere near YouTube.
You don't know. People might tell her, girl, you ain't seen McKee on YouTube talking about repping the damn rainbow.
I didn't say I was repping the rainbow. I said that was repping the rainbow. Y'all,
Are you recording?
Yes, y'all denounced that mess.
I want to go into this damn bunny ranch.
Oh.
Where is it?
Which way was it?
I think it's like when we first got here. Yeah, it was like when we first got here.
I just say that.
Can I
go in here?
Stop playing that.
I want to go in here.
For what?
Shut up. For what? Lord, she ain't got no sense. See, you two, the people I hang out with, no sense at all. Except for Priscilla every once in a while. She does have some common sense.
I don't have boots in you.
Well, for right now, all I know is you got common sense.
I got beer and some cigarettes. I don't smoke and I don't drink. I asked for ice cream. What the hell beer and cigarettes? Come on in. Great package. $1.99 special.
Not for that place. With that minuscule pool that you go take 2 steps and you on the other end of the pool.
I didn't even notice that was a pool down there. The haunted house club?
Stop playing, Sade.
What's up? Why you want to go in there? I want to go in there so I can piss my pants.
Nasty.
Walkway to beach and ocean. Ocean.
Yeah.
So we're at the beach.
It's so dark.
Big cousin had to go get his ass.
Can't really see anybody, but it's okay.
Please don't fall, sugar. It's a fun. Lovely man. It's a big beach. I'm going to come out here and tan tomorrow.
Ma'am, you don't need to be tanning. I'm gonna need for y'all to quit.
I feel like I'm in a Valtrex commercial. Take charge! not let herpes control your life.
Control your life. You can see how far the tide came in.
Whoa, what? Oh my God.
See YouTube, this is not the water I'm used to. I'm used to clear blue water. This ain't a real beach to me, but it will do for now.